Hi my friends, today I'm in front of, I'm in Telemly, in front of the old National Library. It's located on Frantz Fanon Street. So the old National Library is in front of me. This road here, Frantz Fanon Street, leads to the Orasi Hotel and on to El Biar and Bebeloued too. You can see this area here. The head office of Sonelgaz, the electricity company, the gas and electricity company, is over there, and these are colonial buildings, apartment buildings. They are so beautiful, some of the most beautiful buildings here. And now this is the Algiers Bay and the Algiers port over there. You can see the minaret of the Algiers Grand Mosque, and this is the palace of the government, the headquarters of the Algerian government. And then this is the rest of the scenery here. And now you can see those beautiful palm trees. And this is the Ouaguenouni Stadium I've told you about in many of my videos. So this is the balcony from where you can see the Algiers Bay and the eastern part of Algiers. This is the Ouaguenouni Stadium. And as you can see, it's under renovation. We are in December 2021. They started renovating it. I think that it's a general renovation. There is this scaffold here. Okay. It's one of the beautiful places here in Algiers. One of those beautiful places I like to come and visit with my kids. And though over there is a little park where those palm trees are. There is a little park there, a small little park, the Ouaguenouni Park. This is what we call it. And well, it's not. I think that that park too needs some renovation. Okay, so I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button. Telemly is definitely a neighborhood to visit. It's a very beautiful neighborhood. Take care of yourselves and goodbye.